Hello guys, it's the better looking half of UK-PINAY here. Just a quick one this week. We've not bothered really uploading any videos because, to be honest, you know, we've had a pretty bad week, a very stressful week. It's lasted maybe 6 days now. It's just people being people, but I'm not going to go into that, and it doesn't really matter. But we're back home. We go back to Sunderland tomorrow, so at least we're home for Valentine's Day. So I just want to wish everybody a very happy Valentine's Day wherever in the world you are, and I hope you're having a great day. Other news. So Mrs. C, she had a bit of a knocking sound coming from the steering of a little Range Rover last week. So this week I put it on jacks and I jacked it up in the air, and I've took no videos, guys, but she's managed to get two, not one, but two broken front springs on the car. One on the front left and one on the front right. So that's going to cost me about £200 to buy new parts, and then I'm probably going to be spending next Saturday fixing it so she can use the car again. Some really good news for some of you anyway is that you know that we said we was going to return to the Philippines. Well, in my mind I was looking at going back in May and then again in October, because October the 17th it's the birthday of my little brother's daughter, Kyla's birthday, so we will be going over there for that. But May, well, as I said, getting back to things, certain things are happening at the moment, and as soon as I've got my financial obligations out the way, people, you know, I said I would look after and bills paid and things sorted out at home. We're going to go back to the Philippines, guys. We're going to go back really soon. It may not be for a month, but we definitely need to get back there soon. So I'll be looking at booking flights, and hopefully you'll have some more content and plenty of things to see. So again, from Mrs. C and myself, we wish you a very happy Valentine's, guys, and wherever you are, we wish you a very good day. So bye from us.